A year ago, when we started preparing for SOLAS compliance, we realized what a level of disruption it may bring. And we also realized how fragmented the industry was. And we thought the way to reduce disruption was first and foremost to create common standards. So INTTRA announced a non-commercial initiative bringing together top carriers and freight forwarders to define the business standards for VGM submission and state the preference for submitting VGM electronically. In parallel, we developed our own product for the industry to use. I think the biggest victory that we all can celebrate as an industry is the fact that we went all digital. Today, carriers tell us over 90% of all VGMs are submitted digitally. We can talk about differences in levels of enforcement, we can talk about differences in different ports and terminals, and there are certain growth pains that the industry experiences adopting the new process. But one thing is clear, as the process gets adopted, it's the digital process, and this is where I think the biggest change happened. As for our own product, it's growing at use. We actually keep getting new customers every week. The customers comment on the fact that they like the fact that they don't have to sign up on multiple carriers' sites, that it is clear, it's easy to use. It also offers freight forwarders, especially large freight forwarders with global operations, the possibility to work with various upstream scenarios and incorporate what other companies and trading partners are doing into the whole chain of VGM submission. And of course, the last very important point is regional compliance. Every country, or at least many countries, that put their own personal stamps on how VGM should be submitted. In Brazil, you have to put in your passport number. In Hong Kong, you have to identify what method you used for weighting. In India, you have to have a server in the country with the government access to the data. So working with a global company like INTTRA allows our shippers to stay compliant. We incorporate those requirements as they come, and we made a commitment to the industry to keep it going.